Houston Wheel Repair. We're going to powder coat these wheels gloss black. Same day service. Free loaner car. Here at Houston Auto Concepts. You dream it, we can achieve it. Auto Concepts. Houston Auto Concepts. These wheels we blacked out. BMW again. Just washed them. Finished product. Houston Auto Concepts. BMW 5 Series. Powder coat. If you dream it, we can achieve it. Houston Wheel Repair. Same day service. Free loaner car. Houston Wheel Repair. Today we're going to black out the wheels of this BMW 640i. This is a repeat customer. We did this silver before. This is a beautiful car. Here at Houston Wheel Repair, we are the best. Houston Wheel Repair. This is the finished product. The BMW gloss black wheels. Wheels came out beautiful. We did the Caliper blue to match the BMW symbol in the middle. Here at Houston Wheel Repair, we powder coat your wheels. Same day service. Houston Wheel Repair. If you dream it, we can achieve it.